Hey there, it's Huang with Hands-On Therapy Services. The holidays are over now, and now comes a time where you gotta go ahead and pack all those things up, all the holiday decorations, and put them away. Like, putting them up wasn't enough work, getting them down. I wish there was, Alexa that you could call and say, hey Alexa, put all away my Christmas decorations, but unfortunately that doesn't happen, and you've got to use your arms to put everything away. So this tip is for you if you are having some difficulty with your elbows, some simple body mechanics. I always like to remind people because it's so important when you're carrying things. So I have an example. This is a box. Now I know that your boxes are going to be heavier and they're going to be much bigger, but one of the things that I always say is when you carry things, if your elbows are already hurting you and it's like hasn't been going away, then consider going to your occupational therapist or physical therapist that can really help you. And we can help you here at Hands-On Therapy Services if you are kind of starting to suffer with elbow pain and you just don't want to get it worse. Now, if it's already bothering you and you still need to put shit away, then one of the best things that you could do is make sure that when you're reaching for something, that you, when you go to lift up, you want to try and make sure that you're lifting things with your palms up, right? Anything where you're lifting and your palms are down, it's actually going to make you work these muscles even harder, and that's what causes pain. So if you're going to lift anything or carry anything, try to think about how you could do it with your palms up. And also the second part is to keep it by your side. If you're doing things and your arms are extended, meaning your elbows are straight out like this, it's going to actually be harder on those muscles. So keep it by your side. So if you're carrying a box, normally what I do is if I'm going to lift the box, instead of kind of grabbing it from the top, I'll bring my hands on the bottom and slide it so it's on top of my hands. And I'm going to try to keep that box close to my body for as long as possible. And then when I have to put it away, then I'm going to bring my body as close to the table or as close to the shelf or whatever to slide and put it away. So my arms, so if I'm putting it up on the shelf, I'm going to bring my body up close to it as long as I can before I let it go and slide it onto a shelf. Now, if you can't help it, just try to get it as close as possible before you let it go and then put it on the shelf. But the two biggest things when you have elbow problems is to try to carry things with your palms up and keep your arms by your side, okay? So if you're somebody who's starting to have some aches and pains, then just let us know here at Hands-On Therapy Services. We've got some free tips for you. Our elbow pain report is on the website, or you can always call our office and get that free report sent to you. And if you don't have elbow pain, then you are awesome. And let's keep it that way by making sure that we use our arms correctly. All right, I hope that tip helps you to stay healthy and to stay pain-free. All right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.